This is Group 1 Semester Project Part 1. So our lesson plan is that the lesson is designed for kindergarten through third graders. Students can sit on a carpet or in a circle, just kind of in a group setting. And the teacher begins with a discussion about why kindness is important and invites the students to share how they felt when other students showed kindness to them, or when they've just seen kindness around them. Then they brainstorm as a class and come up with ways they can show kindness to each other throughout the week. Then the teacher can write down those ideas on a piece of paper or a chart and hang it up on a classroom so the students can see how to be kind to each other. The objective of this lesson is to create a classroom culture in which students can care for one another and feel safe by promoting kindness. So our issue is that during this lesson, a student would kind of pipe up and say that one of the students in the class he showed kindness to by helping his classmate who has cerebral palsy, who uses a walker to navigate around the classroom because she has something wrong with her legs. To resolve this issue, we would explain to the class that it isn't kind to say that there's something wrong with someone else, and especially someone who uses a walker. Instead, she just needs different tools than us to accomplish walking and accomplish things that we think is so ordinary. This doesn't mean that something is wrong with her. She is just different, and we're all different in some type of ways. As the teacher, we would redirect the rest of this lesson to create a class discussion about ways that we are all different in the class. Students would raise their hands and share about their differences, whether cultural, racial, or any other differences that they may have. This would hopefully normalize differences and help students to see that they are all unique, but that is a good thing. And that would be our lesson plan.